Hi everyone, Victor is here. In today's video I'd like to address this matter of using a mechanical pencil for drawing. So I'd like to list a few of my favorite exercises that I'm using with a mechanical pencil. Mechanical pencil is great for detailed work, so here are some exercises that can enhance drawing skills. Hatching and cross-hatching, drawing parallel lines close together. This will help you control the pressure and maintain consistent spacing. Cross-hatching involves drawing a second set of lines at an angle over the first, which can create different tones and textures. Gradient scales. Start with pressing the pencil heavily and gradually reduce the pressure as you move across the paper, creating a gradient from dark to light. Contour drawing. Without lifting the pencil from the paper, draw an object focusing only on its outline. This enhances observation and hand-eye coordination. Stippling. This is the technique of using small dots to create an image. By varying the distance and size of the dots, you can achieve different tones and textures. Negative space drawing. Instead of drawing the object, draw the space around the object. This helps in understanding the composition and space. Sketching from life. Carry your mechanical pencil and a sketchbook with you. Whenever you have some free time, draw objects or scenes around you. It's an excellent practice to capture real-life details and perspectives. Grid drawing. Divide your reference photo and your drawing paper into a grid, or use this grid which is made of a transparent sheet of some kind of plexiglass, and you can make the grid with a permanent marker. Focus on drawing one square at a time. It helps to achieve accuracy in reproducing images. Blind contour drawing. Look at the object you are drawing, but don't look at the paper. This forces you to rely on hand-eye coordination and can be quite challenging. Detail study. Zoom in on a tiny portion of an object or scene and draw it as detailed as you can. With the precision of a mechanical pencil, this is a fun way to study textures and intricate patterns. Continuous line drawing. Draw a scene or object without lifting your pencil. This can be a playful way to loosen up your drawing skills. Remember, the lead thickness in mechanical pencils can vary. If you have a 0.5 mm pencil, it's great for details. But if you have a broader lead like 0.7 or 0.9 mm, it's better suited for shading and broader strokes. Adjust your exercises based on the lead you have.